Hi guys, I just remembered I bought a bunch of LED lights to go inside my apartment. These were supposed to last, 3, 4, 5 years or something like that. I can't remember what they supposed to last, but anyway, there's a bunch of them in here, and I decided how can I take them with me without damaging. Came up with the idea to put them inside a plastic cup and put shipping tape on the lid. And hopefully they won't break. Thought I'd let people know that. Also, I have everything in boxes. Is that an LED light? Yep, that's another LED light. I got to I don't know, should I probably go buy some cheap lights? Because I do not want to leave my LED lights. Yep, cleaning everything out. I gotta put something for those. Got stuff labeled. Air Monarch, house sheets, F-150 headrest, black work boots, steel toe shoes, tight steel toe shoes, Nike yellow shoes, Nike dark blue, steel toe red, penny loafers. That compressor still works, but it's old, so I probably could throw it away. The radio works, but the CD player don't. It's from my Trailblazer. I was thinking about holding on to it for just, I don't know. This is a jack I bought at Pull Apart some years ago. I just thought it was cool to have a bumper jack. No, I didn't buy it just because of that. I have an old TV. It works. I'm saving it because I have, what do you call them? A bunch of VHSs. And the the videotape recorders won't play on the flat screen. So I keep that around to use it for that. Anyway, that's about it. Also, before transporting your microwave, you may want to try this. Open it up. Take this glass out. Wrap it in a t-shirt. Preferably a clean t-shirt, but if you don't have a clean t-shirt. Now, if it could do some moving around. So if you're gonna do a lot of moving around, you might want to take some tape and put across it. Get a little packing tape. That'll keep it from coming loose. It's one little tip. Hi guys, Black here. I just spent time riding around looking for newspaper to wrap my plates up with. And it came to me, why don't I just use clothes? This is a pair of long under pajamas or whatever. They clean. Just wrap it up. Put it in the box. I did use newspaper, but I ran out. Pretty good idea, I think. This is I just vacuumed this area right here. I don't remember those things right there, but let me tell y'all about this carpet. This carpet that's in this apartment, it's been in here the whole time I've rented this apartment. This carpet is 20 years old. So it needs to be changed anyway. This thing right here, that's not me. Last year, the air conditioning, whatever it was doing, it was wetting up the floor. From here, I mean, it was weird. It would wet up this spot, but this spot would be dry. This spot would be wet. That spot would be dry. But that stain didn't come from me. It came from the water that was leaking from the AC system. When the air conditioning would cut off, you would hear leaking water. I kept telling them, they kept saying, there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. Whatever. So don't blame me for that stain. But this is what 20-year-old carpet looks like. Someone who lived alone. I'm gonna try to remember to vacuum the edge and probably vacuum out the spider webs in the corner. They talk about cleaning the blinds. I'm not cleaning the damn blinds. They can kiss my butt. Y'all can have the little $200. I don't give a crap. I just don't want to leave. Oh, hell, I forgot my ironing board. Even though I don't damn iron, I keep the board for other people if they want to iron. I don't iron. That scale is not very accurate. But yeah, I just want to make a video show y'all. This is my bedroom. I try to keep it as clean as I could. Try to anyway. Carpet look pretty good to be 20 years old, right? All right, guys, if you have to clean up your apartment, I'm gonna show you something that makes a hell of a difference. You won't really notice it until you actually do it. Get you an attachment like this. See how this is kind of narrow? It's got a little hole in it. Take this and run it on top of the edge. And you don't really notice it until you remove the dirt, and then you notice how clean it is. Also, if you take it and run it about this far from the edge of the wall, because your vacuum cleaner won't get that part. But if you use this, it'll pull the dirt away from the wall. You'll be surprised how much difference it make. I done been all the way around this, all the way around. I actually moved that stuff and went around. Also, take your vacuum cleaner and run across the ceiling to remove spider webs. And again, you really won't notice it. Like, can you see that? You really won't notice it until you remove it. And I can't show you, I gotta, well, I don't know, I might be able to make it. I hope y'all was able to see that. But when I first got this apartment 20 years ago, I remember I complained to the people because they came in here, they cleaned, but they on a vacuum to like this part. There was a whole bunch of food and trash in the corners. I mean, you could see like little, what do they call it? What do they call it? Cereal. Like, I don't know, some kind of Fruity Pebbles or whatever. But it was like all in the corner of the thing. Let me show you. I haven't cleaned this part here. I guess it just looked dirty, but it's not really. I gotta move this table and go all around this thing. But first I need to vacuum the middle part of the flow because I wanted to clean the edge first because that's the hardest. So I'm gonna vacuum the middle part of this flow and I'll start in this area.